It's too dark to see Wally. Wally. There he is. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this big ass spider. Look at it. Ooh. Okay,
Oh, wow, look at the things.
Dude, there's a spider. I'm gonna throw a leaf at it. Nothing's happening.
Come on, let's mess up.
We're walking to breakfast.
Shower yesterday, your hair.
Yeah.
Looks nice. Your hair looks healthy.
So I just got off work, and Danette was like, "Do you want some ice cream?" And I was like, "Yeah." So I scooped myself. She sells Thrifty's ice cream, so I scooped myself the animal cookie, Circus Animal Cookie. You know those little pink and white cookies? So bomb.